Unlock the secrets to effortless cleaning. Transform your home in minutes with these mind-blowing tips. Are you tired of spending endless hours cleaning your home, only to have it quickly become messy again? Do you wish there was a way to make cleaning easier and more efficient? Look no further. In this article, we have compiled a comprehensive list of mind-blowing tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you clean. Say goodbye to long and tedious cleaning sessions, and welcome quick and effortless transformations for your home. Learn how to tackle those stubborn stains, defeat dust and clutter, and master the art of maintaining a spotless living space. Get ready to unlock the secrets to effortless cleaning and reclaim your valuable time for the things that truly matter. Introducing Unlock the Secrets to Effortless Cleaning. Transform your home in minutes with these mind-blowing tips as your go-to guide for maintaining a clean and tidy home effortlessly. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by cleaning tasks or struggled to keep your space organized, this article is here to help. We have collected the most commonly searched questions about cleaning and decluttering, and we're going to answer them all. From quick cleaning hacks to time-saving tips, you'll discover the key to a pristine home without spending endless hours on chores. Get ready to reclaim your time and enjoy a sparkling, clean living environment. How can I make cleaning more efficient? Incorporate the following tips into your cleaning routine to make it more efficient. Prioritize tasks. Start with the most essential areas to clean and make a list of what should be done each day. Gather all supplies. Having everything you need in a caddy or bucket will save you time from searching for items later. Use the right tools. Invest in quality cleaning tools that make the job easier and more effective. Establish a routine. Regular cleaning will prevent buildup and make each session less time-consuming. Delegate tasks. Get other household members involved or hire professional help for more extensive cleaning projects. How can I keep my home organized? Follow these organization tips to keep your home clutter-free. Declutter regularly. Get rid of items you no longer need or use to create more space and reduce visual clutter. Utilize storage solutions. Invest in bins, baskets, shelves, and other storage options to keep items neatly organized. Create designated spaces. Assign every item in your home a specific spot to avoid random clutter piles. Develop cleaning habits. Make cleaning up a daily routine by tidying each room before going to bed or starting a new task. Optimize storage spaces. Maximize the use of closet and cabinet spaces by using clever organizing systems like hooks, dividers, and labels. Are there any time-saving shortcuts for cleaning? Yes, here are some time-saving cleaning shortcuts for you. Multitasking.